Hello guys, Assalamualaikum. My name is Halimah Saadia bin Nur Hazam with metro number 1201724, and now I will share with you what is my hobby. First, I love cooking so much. If you can see in this video, I had prepared the ingredient that we need to cook siakap steam for the dinner. We need onion, chili, ginger, lemongrass, garlic, and don't forget to marinate siakap with salt, okay? And tada! This is how siakap steam looks like. Somehow, I love to buy groceries, so I assume that this is my second hobby. Last but not least, I love traveling too. It's make me calm, refresh my mood, and clear my mind. But to face jam while traveling, maybe I must do thinking twice.